right, welcome to this week's edition of Lunch Break with Amie and Kevin. I'm Amie Baca-Oehlert, your CEA president.
Hi, everyone. And I'm Kevin Vick, your CEA vice president.
Well, we know there's a lot going on for everyone and a lot to think through, so we want to be quick today and just give you two really great opportunities to share your voice and to engage. As most everyone knows, I believe the legislature will be starting back up next week, February 16th. So there are going to be multiple opportunities and really important opportunities for educators to be sharing your voices, sharing your stories. So please stay tuned to our CEA social media channels, to your email. We will make sure that all of those opportunities are getting in front of you, and also make sure that we are providing you things that you can do easily, since we know how full your plates are. One of those things currently is our petition to cancel CMAS for this year. It's been out there for just a couple weeks. We already have over 11,000 signatures. So that is great. Last week, we held a press conference with CASE, CASB, CEA, and the Rural Alliance, where we shared some poll results of a public poll that we did. That poll was very telling of where the public stands, and in particular, where parents stand on the CMAS issue. When we asked parents across the state what we should be prioritizing this spring, only 4% of parents say that we should be prioritizing standardized testing. Parents see the value in prioritizing instruction for their students. They also want us to prioritize mental health supports for students. And we also know that it's important to prioritize mental health supports for educators. We understand the need for data and the value of data, but you know, as educators, that we have many forms of data that are informing, in fact, our daily instruction. You do this every single day, checks for understanding to see how kids are learning, where they may need some more support. But we also have things like those nationally normed interim assessments like MAPS testing that are giving us information about where our students are. And this year, it is certainly not the right time to disrupt students' learning even more, to take weeks out of instructional time just to administer a CMAS assessment that's not going to give us immediate valuable data. So we're working hard. We are thankful and grateful to Representative Emily Sirota and Senator Zinzinger, who will be bringing forward a bill to pause the CMAS, to ask the state to request a waiver to pause CMAS or cancel CMAS for this school year. So if you have not signed that petition, please do. There's also an opportunity tomorrow night, Thursday evening, to join with our partners, Coloradans for the Common Good. They will be hosting a town hall event with many legislators. And this issue of the CMAS will be one of the things that they will be talking about. So an opportunity for you to share your voice and provide input. So again, lots of opportunities in the weeks ahead. Your stories matter. No one can share your lived experience. You are the professionals. You are the ones who are in there day in and day out. No one can share your stories better than you. So please stay engaged, share your voice, because it will make a difference. So Kevin, I know you're ready to talk about another very important issue right now, and that is vaccines.
Yeah, so you hopefully by this point, everyone has heard that the governor announced that educators are up near the front of the line to get vaccines starting at the beginning of this week. And to make sure that people have as much information on the vaccines and administration and all of these different aspects of getting a vaccine, we have put together with our health partners a webinar for people specifically devoted to answering questions about the vaccine. It's exciting news. We've been seeing all over Facebook, educators from all over the state, sharing their stories of getting their first doses. And it's exciting. It puts us one step closer to getting to a more normal education situation. And so hopefully people are getting their invites and getting getting their vaccines, and we are putting this together to make sure that any questions that you may have may be answered. It's going to be tomorrow afternoon, and it starts at 4 o'clock. And so you get the best information you can straight from healthcare providers, straight from medical professionals, and that's the best information you can get. So once again, that's tomorrow at 4 o'clock.
Awesome. Yep. So please sign up. You have to register to attend. You can sign up via the link. And again, that is February 11th, Thursday, February 11th at 4 p.m. Looking forward to having you all join us for that webinar. As Kevin said, will be very informative, and answer a lot of your questions. There will be an opportunity for Q&A. So just very informative and a time for you to get your questions answered. So with that, that's all we have for this week. These lunch breaks are intended to be short little snippets, probably longer than a snippet, but just a time for you to take a quick break during your day while you're hopefully eating your lunch, and catch up on what's happening at CEA. So we will be back in a couple of weeks. The legislative session will have already started by then, and we will update you as to the happenings there. I hope everyone has a great rest of your week. Stay healthy, be safe, and we will see you soon.
Bye, everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.